These 5 chess books will help you to improve your chess, and 2 of them are free. Hi, welcome to Night Road YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 chess books that will definitely help you to improve your game much quicker than you expect. Book number 1 is Chess Fundamentals by the third world champion Jose Raul Capablanca. In this book, you will learn all the basics that are necessary for your improvement, and you will find a lot of insights that are very useful for beginner players. My recommendation is that you should get this book for free and then read it with a chessboard. I will show you how to get this book for free at the end of this video. As you can see, this book is showing $0. So I will show you how to get this for free in the end of this video. Okay, number 2 is very simple, the most instructive games of chess ever played. I think this is a very instructive manual you can use to widen your understanding of the game. First of all, you have to use this book like the previous one, using a chessboard. You have to read all the comments and you have to play through all the variations in order to understand this. Don't read this book very quickly. Just read it calm and cool way where you understand the moves, understand the variations, and hopefully after completing these 62 masterpieces, your understanding of the game will be improved. Okay, book number 3 is Doski's Endgame Manual. There's a way you should use this book because it has a lot of examples and a lot of content. The way you should use this book is that when you play a chess game, you will sometime get an endgame. And if it is a rook endgame, go to Doski's Rook Endgame chapter and learn few. If it is a bishop endgame, go to Bishop's Endgame chapter and learn few. That way, you will understand all the important endgames that matters to your game that you get in your games, and don't try to read it from first page to the end because it will be very difficult and boring. But if you try to learn what is played in your games, then I think it will be very useful to have this. As you can see, I already bought this book because it's very useful to read it. Okay, this is the most expensive book that I'm going to recommend to you, and I can guarantee you, if you read these 5 books, your chess will be improved really, really fast because this book series of Capsparrow, which is called the My Great Predecessors, has a lot of comments, a lot of annotations. What you should do is that you should play through all the variations, but you have to sort of use a chessboard. But that way, my guess is that after a while, you will be exhausted because with a physical chessboard, it's impossible to read these books. But what you should do is that you should download the chess-based reader software for free and then enter all the games, enter all the comments, and read it there. Because that way you will understand all the moves without much effort. Because I tried using these books on a physical chessboard, and trust me, it's really hard that way. But you can use chessbase or chessbase reader, enter the games, and then read through the comments, trying to understand the moves will be much beneficial because I know it's $80, but it will save you years of time because Kasparov is the greatest chess player of all time, and here is his greatest contribution to the game. So you must, of course, read these books and try to understand the lessons he tried to teach the chess world. I think this is one of the keys that you can use in order to improve your game. I mean, many top players recommend this series, and I know from experience this will definitely help you to understand your game because it is not just the stories and the games. You should always try to pay attention to the comments the variations, because in those variations there is a hidden understanding that you can absorb, and it is definitely beneficial. Okay, before revealing the best book to improve your game, here's another free book that you can use, which is called the True Lies in Chess, and it's a very good book that you can read in order to understand how the world of chess works in the top level, and it's free. It's by Cold Chess. It's very rare that you see a Cold Chess book for free, and you can get many insights to the world of chess by reading this book. Okay, now let's move to the book that will give you the most amount of improvement in the shorter period of time. Okay, this is the book that will give you the most improvement in the shortest period of time. This is called the Encyclopedia of Chess Combinations 6th edition. This is $34, but it's worth it. There are a lot of combinations to solve, and if you are, let's say, chess.com rapid 1500 elo level, well, then it's definitely worth it. You have to solve all the combinations using a chessboard, and trust me, if you do this, you can achieve chess.com rapid 2000 rating really fast. If you follow Dostoevsky's Endgame manual, if you follow Kasparov's My Red Predecessor series the way I told you, and if you solve this book, definitely you will be 2000 real fast. Of course, you have to analyze your games, you have to play good openings, but these are the books that will help you to develop your game really quickly. And I hope one of you will use these books and put a comment there saying that these books help you to improve your game. Okay, uh, right now I'm going to show you how to get these books for free. You have to go to this website forwardchess.com and you have to sign up for an account. There you will see these two books, My Fundamentals, the Chess Fundamentals book, and this True Lies in Chess book for free. You can definitely legally get this book for free. Read them, and if you find them interesting, then you can try the most instructive chess games ever played, the Dostoevsky's Endgame manual, my great predecessors, and the most important book, Encyclopedia of Chess Combinations. And that's how you can get your two free chess books for absolutely free. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel and comment your questions in the comment section so I can create more videos answering them. Thank you.